Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a sleek, stylish, and compact luxury sedan to talk about, the 2026 Audi A3. If you've been eyeing a car that offers the perfect blend of performance, luxury, and modern technology, this might just be the one. We'll be covering everything from its exterior to its interior, powertrain, safety features, and pricing. Stick with us as we break down all the details you need to know before deciding if the 2026 Audi A3 is the right fit for you. Let's dive right in. Exterior features. The Audi A3 is a compact luxury sedan that makes a statement on the road. From its streamlined body panels to its futuristic headlights, this car has a design that's both elegant and bold. Body panels. The body panels of the 2026 Audi A3 are crafted from lightweight yet durable materials, offering a mix of steel and aluminum. This not only reduces the overall weight of the car but also enhances fuel efficiency and performance. The design is clean and minimalist, with sharp character lines running along the sides, giving the A3 a dynamic and athletic look. Whether you're gliding through city streets or cruising down the highway, the A3's sleek profile minimizes drag, making it not just a stylish choice but a functional one too. Headlights. The headlights on the Audi A3 are truly a highlight of its exterior design. Equipped with sharp LED matrix headlights, these lights provide excellent illumination while also being energy efficient. The LED matrix system adapts to driving conditions, automatically adjusting the light pattern to avoid dazzling other drivers while still providing superior visibility. The signature Audi light signature, a unique daytime running light pattern, adds a futuristic touch and makes the car easily recognizable, even from a distance. Taillights. The taillights of the Audi A3 continue the trend of sharp, modern design. These lights are also LED-based, offering crisp illumination for better visibility and quicker recognition by other drivers. The distinctive light bar across the rear of the car gives it a contemporary, high-tech look while maintaining Audi's signature style. The taillight's sleek and thin design contributes to the A3's streamlined aesthetic, making it look even more refined and sporty from the rear. Grille. The grille of the 2026 Audi A3 is bold and assertive, with a wide, hexagonal shape that features the signature Audi 4-ring logo in the center. This grille is not just for show, it helps with the car's aerodynamics by directing airflow efficiently over and around the car. It also gives the A3 an aggressive yet refined look, contributing to its sporty appeal. The grille is flanked by the sharp LED headlights, creating a cohesive front-end design that immediately commands attention. Interior comfort and convenience. Step inside the 2026 Audi A3, and you'll find an interior that's as luxurious as it is practical. Audi has crafted a cabin that offers modern technology, premium materials, and a driver-focused layout. Seats. The seats in the A3 are designed for both comfort and support, providing a premium feel right from the moment you sit down. Upholstered in high-quality leather with optional sport seating, the seats offer ample side bolstering to keep you comfortable and supported on tight corners and long drives. The driver's seat is 12-way power adjustable with memory functions, while the front passenger seat offers a similar range of adjustments. For added comfort, the seats come with heating and ventilation options, ensuring you're comfortable no matter the season. Dashboard. The dashboard of the Audi A3 is minimalist yet sophisticated, with clean lines and high-quality materials that create a luxurious atmosphere. The center of the dashboard features a sharp, angled design, with a large touchscreen infotainment system as the focal point. Audi has used soft-touch plastics, brushed metal accents, and leather elements to create a tactile and visually appealing experience. The digital cockpit, which replaces traditional analog gauges, allows the driver to customize the display to show everything from navigation to performance data. The entire layout is modern, intuitive, and designed for ease of use, making it one of the most advanced in its class. Infotainment system. Audi's MMI, multimedia interface, system in the 2026 A3 is one of the best in the business. The 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system offers a crisp, responsive interface that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for smooth smartphone connectivity. Audi's proprietary navigation system is intuitive and provides real-time traffic updates to help you navigate with ease. The A3 also features a premium sound system with available upgrades for audiophiles who demand rich, high-quality audio. With simple menu options and a highly responsive touch interface, the system is easy to use even while driving. Steering wheel. The steering wheel in the Audi A3 is designed with both comfort and control in mind. It's wrapped in premium leather, giving it a soft, tactile feel. The wheel itself is multifunctional, with buttons for audio, phone, and cruise control, allowing you to stay focused on the road. The flat-bottom design of the steering wheel, a hallmark of Audi's sportier models, adds a performance touch, while the available paddle shifters allow for manual gear changes when you're in the mood to take full control of the car. The steering feel is precise and responsive, contributing to the overall engaging driving experience. Powertrain components. The Audi A3 is not just about looks and luxury under the hood. It packs some serious performance capabilities. Let's take a closer look at the powertrain options. Engine. The 2026 Audi A3 comes with a variety of engine options, but the star of the show is the 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 228 horsepower and 258 pounds-feet of torque. This engine strikes the perfect balance between performance and efficiency, offering lively acceleration and an engaging driving experience. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, shifts are smooth and quick, with no lag when you need to put the power down. The A3 can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 6 seconds, making it one of the quickest compact sedans in its class. The available Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures that the A3 maintains excellent traction and stability, especially in challenging driving conditions. Hybrid option. For those looking for a better fuel economy or a greener option, the 2026 Audi A3 also offers a mild hybrid system. This hybrid setup combines the turbocharged engine with a small electric motor to help reduce fuel consumption, especially in city driving. The mild hybrid system doesn't offer electric-only driving but improves overall efficiency by using regenerative braking and assisting the engine during acceleration. This makes the A3 even more efficient while still maintaining its impressive performance. Safety and driver assistance. Audi prioritizes safety and driver assistance features, making the 2026 A3 a secure and dependable choice for everyday driving. Airbags. The Audi A3 is equipped with an advanced airbag system, designed to protect the driver and passengers in the event of a collision. In addition to front and side airbags, the A3 also includes curtain airbags to protect the head during side impacts. The airbag system is paired with a reinforced safety cell, ensuring that passengers are well protected in the event of an accident. Parking assist. Parking can be tricky, but the Audi A3 makes it easy with its available parking assist system. This feature uses sensors and cameras to help guide the vehicle into tight parking spaces. The system can even take over the steering for you, making parallel parking and parking in cramped spaces a breeze. In addition, Audi's front and rear parking sensors alert you to obstacles, preventing minor bumps and scrapes when maneuvering in close quarters. Pricing. The 2026 Audi A3 starts at around $35,000 for the base model, which includes the turbocharged engine, front-wheel drive, and a host of standard features. The Quattro all-wheel drive system and higher trim levels, such as the Premium Plus and Prestige, can push the price closer to $40,000 or more. When you factor in the premium quality, advanced technology, and performance, the A3 offers excellent value for those looking for a compact luxury sedan. Ending note. And that wraps up our review of the 2026 Audi A3. This car is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a compact luxury sedan that combines style, performance, and technology. With its sleek exterior, advanced interior features, and impressive powertrain options, the A3 stands out in its class. If you enjoyed this video, be sure